Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in WhatsApp. Pinning a message is super handy way to keep important information at the top of your chat so you can easily find it later, whether it's an address, a link, or just a key instruction. To do this, you want to open the chat where the message is. So from here, find the message you want to pin. What you need to do is simply press and hold it until a menu pops up. You want to tap the three dot icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and from here you should see the option Pin. Just tap that and the message will be pinned at the top of the chat. You can even choose how long your pin lasts here. Let's say 30 days, then choose Pin. And just like that, it's now pinned at the top. Once pinned, the message will always stay at the top for both individual and group chats, making it easy to access anytime without scrolling. You can pin multiple messages in a chat if needed, and if you ever want to unpin one, just hold it again and select unpin. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!